Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a bank card on Android. First, locate and open the Wallet app on your Android device. This is usually pre-installed. Once inside the app, look for a plus sign, typically at the bottom right or center of the screen, and tap it. This action will prompt you to choose the type of item you wish to add. Select the option for adding a credit or debit card to proceed. After selecting to add a card, you'll have two main options. Either scan your physical card using your phone's camera, which often autofills many details, or manually type in the 16-digit card number, expiration date, and the 3-digit security code from the back. Ensure all information is accurate. You will also need to confirm your billing address, which helps verify your identity and card ownership. Once your card details are entered, your bank might require an additional verification step to ensure it's really you. This could involve receiving a one-time code via text message or email, or even a quick call to your bank. Carefully follow the instructions provided on your screen to complete this process. After successful verification, your bank card will be fully activated and ready for secure use with Android payments. With your card set up, making payments is simple. Just unlock your phone and hold it near a compatible payment terminal in stores. For online shopping, you can often select your digital card as a payment option during checkout. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Enjoy the convenience and security of your new Android payment setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.